Hey guys, I'm Ethan at Garage Bagger Stereo, and we just finished up this install on this boat. We did the RGB lighting on it and touched up on the audio, just adding the 12-inch sub, an amplifier, and an amp plate. It all came together really clean, and here's a closer look at the details.
Crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for the night. That would be the best therapy for me. Hey, hey, boom.